What's going on guys, Oma here. I'm getting several questions what light I'm using here in my studio. So today we review Godox SL60 and we'll discuss why it's my best LED video light. I'm currently using this guy with a Softbox from Triopo as a key light here in my studio. I got also a small RGB light from Pixel in the background and an IKEA floor lamp at the corner. So for the price point, I believe the SL60 is extremely powerful. Although it's 60 watt, the light power is phenomenal. LED power is way powerful than tungsten. Godox LED light supports Bowens mount modifier, so you can use it with different Octa and Softboxes. And the one I'm using here is a foldable 90cm Octabox from Triopo. A Chinese company that makes good foldable systems. It's my favorite. We'll keep the review link down below, check it when you're free. So basically Godox makes two versions of SL60. The SL60W, the white color, that comes at 5600 Kelvin white balance, and we'll discuss the color temperature in a moment. But also there is another version, and that's the SL60Y, yellow. That comes at 3300 Kelvin white balance. With the SL60, you also have the option to get barn doors with a grid and different color gels. I had the kit for a while, but I decided to put it on sale because I ended up not using it in my projects. Unboxing. So in general, you don't get a carry bag. Godox and other third parties offer that for additional cost, and I believe that's fine for the price point. I didn't really feel I needed a bag except for a few times when I took the light out of the studio. We got some manual papers here, a very long cable, about 5 meters, 15 feet, and a standard down reflector, a wireless remote, and that's to control the light you have as well as other units in different groups. Eventually, the performance and the price are the reason why I believe this is the best LED video light. There is no better LED light at that price. The SL60 has the best value in my opinion. The light has a built-in fan to keep it cool, and you can hear it if you are inches close to the light. But here where I am, it's very minimal and the noise doesn't show in my audio. I'm using here Synco D1 shotgun mic, and let's check if you hear anything. Do you hear the fan noise? I believe completely dead. The light power starts from 10% to 100%, so you can't dim the light below 10%. The white balance on the other hand is not exactly 5600 Kelvin. I got about 51 or 5200 Kelvin white balance. I'm totally fine with the things we discussed, they don't really have impact on my workflow. And to be honest, I don't really try aperture light, and they probably won't, cause this one is budget friendly and performing well. I'm using Godox since last year and I'm pretty happy with the result. A friend of mine got recently 2 of them for his production. Let me know guys if you have any comment in the section down below, and on this channel guys, we make camera and filmmaking gear reviews, so consider subscribing if you are new here and love to watch more content like this. Give it a thumbs up, thank you for watching, this was Oma, and see you in another one.